All right, here is the third video I'm doing about this jet ski, some upgrades. Just finished, the last one was putting on these levers. If y'all wanna go watch that one, you can. That was really easy to do. Tonight also, I'm installing these bumpers. For better or worse, I think there's some other good options, but I think this is something cool to have and easy to put on. Except it's scary as heck having to drill through your Sea-Doo. So yeah, I just made my first 2 holes. I'm gonna tell you how that went. Marked it out according to their instructions at, instructions.brp.com. It tells you to measure. You can either go like, it's about 14 inches to the back where your bracket's gonna be, or you can go center of it. Ended up being about, I think it was 16 inches here, and then this one ended up being the very back of the bracket's around 66, or the center of it's around 71. And I put little pencil marks there. But yeah, you can put it there, and then you can just go ahead and mark out your holes with a pencil. You're gonna drill at a 30-degree angle. You should not be going into the main hole of the boat. I just did it. I did 2 drills. I did a pilot hole with a 3/32 bit, and I did the bigger hole just now with the 7/32 that they recommend. Yeah, it grabs quick. It bites through there quick. So the way I kept from drilling into the, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. The way I kept from drilling into the boat itself, the bottom part of the hull, is I used a shovel. I would just get something thin and metal, and I just took it, and like it goes all the way up into that groove. So I just held that tight against there, and as soon as I felt my drill bit, I backed out, and I just kept that angle for both of those. So I'm gonna just clean it up, and should be able to get the screws just straight in there. I'm gonna use a little bit of silicone on it, just like somebody else had suggested on another video. But other than that, should be pretty straightforward. If I learn anything new, though, I'll add some more to this. I think this is the only clip I need, though. And here's the bracket I'm using. Didn't even show you. So yeah, and when I was making the drawing where I wanted it, you clip from underneath, clip this lip under, clip it, hold it up real tight when you're marking your holes. That way, it's gonna sit nice and tight where you want it to be. And then the angle of this bracket is the 30-degree angle that you want your drilling to be at. So that's gonna line up great right here, as you can see with those 2 holes. So I'll go ahead and drop it on there, and then I'll end up doing the same with the front. Let me know if y'all got any tips, tricks, anything else that'll help some other people. Thanks.